Hi folks, I wanted to show off a little project I've been working on recently. I have about 350 or so receipts that I need to submit to my insurance company. I need to type in the amount and date of each receipt, and doing that by hand would have taken a very long time, so I decided to automate it. The first step is I wrote a little program called Batch Vision, which lets you drag and drop receipt files in, and it will send them to OpenAI to have them analyzed by an LLM. Here's the prompt that I'm using. Literally, you just ask the thing for, hey, what's the date and the total amount on each receipt, and it'll send it back to you, and my little program processes that and saves it as a Excel spreadsheet, which I have done. So yeah, I have 300 and something rows here of name of file, date, and amount. The next thing I need to do is actually get this information into USAA's website. Now, one option that I tried for this was OpenAI and Anthropic both have options that you can have an LLM operate your computer for you. I found that I ran into rate limits when I did that, and anyway, it wasn't as fast and efficient as I wanted. So what I ended up doing is writing an AutoHotkey macro. This is a little program, it's been around for decades, that will basically instruct your mouse. You can instruct your mouse and keyboard to do stuff for you automatically. What this is doing is we have one hotkey which we use to upload a image file into the program, and another hotkey that we use for automatically copying and pasting information from the Excel spreadsheet into the field in the document. So I'll show you how this works real quick. I press Control Windows Z, which is the custom hotkey number 1 that I've defined here. So I do that, and it clicks on the click to upload file thing, opens it to the right folder, and moves my mouse cursor to this spot right here. I'm going to double click on this thing. Now there it is, it's in the website. Now I push my other hotkey, and what that just did is it tabbed over to my Excel spreadsheet. It hit right once, copied this information, went over here, pasted it in, came back over here, went right once more, copied this information, pasted it in here, and moved my cursor to the add button. Now, an important element of this is I am not doing this on full automatic, I'm doing it on semi-automatic. I want to actually check each entry before it gets submitted to USAA, and right now we see one of the reasons why. Like, this does not seem to have gone through correctly. Let's see, I may have had it select the wrong row for my spreadsheet or something. This one is supposed to be 2675. Yeah, I'm on the wrong row. I had to do the wrong thing. I need to click on this, push my hotkey again, and have it put the right information in there. And now I just click add. And okay, so this is matching to a, I probably submitted this previously before I started the recording, and that's why it's running up against this thing. So I'll just click yes, it discards that one, and we'll move on to the next one. Now I drag this one over to the processed folder and click on this one instead. Copy the information in there. Check 5611, does that match? Yes, it does. Click add. And once I get going here, I can submit receipts at a very rapid pace. I feel like I spend more time waiting for the images to actually upload than it does to actually enter any of the data. So anyway, this is a nice fun little project which is saving me hours and hours of time with the help of LLMs and a nice little bit of home automation. I'll be here for probably just a couple of hours rather than the days that it would have taken to enter 300 and something receipts by hand. Thanks for watching.